Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking these candy bars and I am deep frying them. Candy bars alone are absolutely delicious, but when you coat them in a batter, deep fry them to perfection, they just get melty deliciousness. It is gonna be one of the best things in the entire world, is my opinion. I've only done this like once before, so I think it should work. Hopefully we don't make a mess. Let's just get started. Over here, we're going to make a quick batter to cook them in. Pour our flour into here. There we go. Gonna take our cornstarch, which will get it nice and crispy. Add that into there as well. Baking powder right over here, straight into there, which will make it rise. Then we've got over here some milk and some seltzer. Just pour those both into there. And now we're just going to whisk that all up. All right, it has now come together into a nice, super thick with like 20 C's batter, thick. There we go. I'm now going to start off, let's do a Butterfinger first. That's one of my favorite candy bars. Hashtag not sponsored by any of these companies. Oh shoot, I think I just broke it. Oh God. Let's see. Yup, I broke it. Okay, we're gonna do half of a Butterfinger, all right, into there. Let's put that half the Butterfinger into that batter. Now I guess let's bring this right over here. All right, it is now fully coated. I'm gonna use my 2 forks to get rid of the excess batter on there. And now let me double check. My oil should be at around 350, 375. All right, perfect. And I'm going to now drop that very carefully in. Perfect, I'm gonna let that start frying, and I'm now gonna repeat with the other things. Okay, over here I have a Snicker bar. Oh my God, I'm honestly so excited for this. Okay, boom. Okay, let's check on other things in there. Where's my thing to flip it? Oh no, I better have something to flip this. Okay, we're using this for now. Let's see. Our Butterfinger's looking good, that's looking good. All right, let's just keep going. Right over here we have a Kit Kat bar, alrighty. Let's just fry up the Kit Kat. We're just literally frying every single candy that I could possibly find because why not? Oh God, this one's a little melted. Okay, here we go. We got a Kit Kat right in there. Oh, I think our other thing is done. This is gonna be hard to all time correctly. And boom. Oh God, one of them leaked. That's what it means if you see that powder. That means one of them was leaking. Oh God, all right. This one looks kind of done. They're not gonna be the prettiest things in the world, but when you actually cut them open, they should be really, really, really good. Our Snickers looks like it is now done. How incredible does that look? That looks so awesome. Okay, let's transfer it onto our wire rack. Let's get our 3 Musketeers into there. It is very important when you do this that you completely cover it, because if the chocolate gets exposed to the oil, it'll leak out and that'll make that like gross thing in the oil. Right now only a little bit got out, so it's okay, but we want to minimize that. Now again, I know they don't look too great right when they come out. They just kind of look like fried puffs, which I guess is pretty good, but you never know. All right, now we have a king-size Hershey bar that we're gonna fry. This is literally just gonna be pure deep fried chocolate. All right, here we go. We got a king-sized Hershey bar going in the oil. Bam. Okay, that looks incredible. Our 3 Musketeers is now done frying. Oh my God, that looks insane. All right, let's put that on here. Okay, so I got myself a cutting board, and now let's just, I guess, dig in. I think we should start with the I believe this is the Hershey bar. I'm not really sure. Let's cut into it and find out. Yup, I was right. Look at how incredible that looks in there. It's just like chocolatey, doughy goodness. Okay, let's give this one a try. I'm excited. To be honest though, actually, unpopular opinion, I do not like Reese's. Not Reese's, I love Reese's. I apologize I said that. I do not like Hershey bars. Oh God, this oil's like smoking. Let's turn the flame off. I do not like Hershey bars, but I feel like I would like it in this because like it's deep fried, so I must like it. All right, let's give it a try. Wow. Next up, let's try the Butterfinger. I'm excited for that because I feel like all these will melt, but Butterfinger is actually going to be probably crunchy. All right, let's give it a chop. Oh, see? It's crunchy. Oh God. I don't even know if you can cut this Butterfinger. There we go. I had to go a little samurai ninja on that, but I got it open. I literally can't even eat it. I think when you cook the Butterfinger, the inside, you know how Butterfinger has like a weird inside? I think that inside gets like melted and it's like rock hard. It's like literally impossible to eat it. But I got a little bit of it in, and with the chocolate in this, thumbs up for me. Okay, next up, let's cut into the Twix, which I'm kind of excited for. Boom. Look at how cool that looks in there. Check that out. You have the layers of the chocolate. You have the crunchy part on the inside. This one is gonna be delicious. Okay, let's give it a try. Heavenly. Okay, I'm making a mess. We have two more. I'm not sure which is which. One of these is Three Musketeers, and one of them is Snickers. So let's just cut in, and I guess we will find out. Ooh, this one is the Snickers. This is the one I'm most excited for, and this one's actually what inspired me to do this video. I forget where we were. We were at a restaurant once, and they had deep fried Snickers, and it was heavenly. I already know this one's gonna be good. Oh my God. That means last up is the Three Musketeers. Oh, look at that. Let's get a squeezing shot. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, melted chocolate coming out. Okay, that looks incredible. Let's give this a try. I literally would eat all of these, but like, I feel like this is probably the least healthy thing like on the planet. You gotta be kidding me. Look at that, pull that open. Look at that nougat just like melted into this insane deliciousness. There's nothing better. Wow, that is seriously incredible. I honestly think there's nothing more decadent in this world than deep fried candy bars. Like, I would eat all this, but that's definitely very, very unhealthy. Highly suggest to eat this a la mode with a scuba ice cream on top. That would be incredible. Perfect thing to make if you have friends over, you want to do something that's super fun, or if you just want an awesome snack. I kind of want to stop talking and just get back to the Snickers. If I had to choose my favorite, I would say it would definitely be the Snickers. It's a good classic, and yeah, all right, I kind of want to stop talking. If you guys enjoyed the video, click that like button and click the subscribe button to be the first to know when I post new videos. Comment down below what type of food would you want to deep fry, and I think I'm gonna go. All right, see you guys on Monday with another cooking video. Meanwhile, if you need me, I'm just gonna pig out with these. Bye.